Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect TradingView to TradingView 12. So first of all, you need to launch your TradingView application, or you can also follow the same steps inside your TradingView website. So when you are over here, you just have to tap on the charts option first. Now over here, tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on the option of trade with broker. Now over here you are going to see all of the brokers list that you can basically use in order to connect with TradingView. So among these we need to see trading 212. So you can just simply use the search bar here on the top and you can just simply search for trading 212. Now if you are able to find it over here, it is well and good. You need to tap on that and log in into your account. But as you can see, currently this option is not available, meaning that you can't use trading 212 with TradingView at the time of creating this video. So in this situation, you can use TradingView in order to analyze the chart, and you can use trading 212 application in order to basically place your orders. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.